Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Enchanted Ways. I am Danielle, and this video is the first part in my series on magic geared towards newbies, and this first series is titled Before You Light a Candle. And it's all of the things that I feel that you should be incorporating in your life on a regular basis and practicing on a regular basis. So the first part in this series I'm going to call Mundane Influences on Magic. Excuse me, because with newbies sometimes it could either be one or a combination of things where you're coming from, you know, a different spiritual or religious background, and so you don't dismantle that before moving into, you know, a new spiritual or, you know, religious background, and there's a disconnect there, and so you're not practicing things or thinking of things because you know you just weren't used to it. Two, just being just so excited that you just want to dive right in and obviously, you know, do spells, and not thinking things all the way through. And the third thing is just you just don't know. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes you just don't know, you just don't think of it, or you know you're just not well versed in it yet, and you just jumping the gun a little bit. So mundane influences, the basics that are, or the main things rather, that are going to affect your spell work is not having a clean house, not practicing good personal hygiene. Like that, you would think it would go without saying, but apparently not. So everything is energy. So that pile of clothes, those dirty dishes, that's stagnant, festering energy. And while, you know, a pile of dirty clothes isn't evil or anything like that, it does hold a certain energy signature. Like I said, you know, it's there, it's been there for who knows how long, it's mildewing, it's attracting maybe, you know, insects, rodents, whatever. What kind of spiritual entities do you think is going to attract? You know what I'm saying? And so you want to work a love spell and you have who knows what in the corner because it's feeding and likes the energy of your dirty house. You know what I'm saying? So just think of it in that way, that everything is energy and you're trying to bring in something fresh and vibrant and high vibrational and positive into an environment where the energy is stagnant and it's not flowing well. So you're either going to get no results or not the results you're looking for, you know. And that's just all I have to say about that. Well, I guess I could get some tips because everybody isn't OCD or anal when it comes to cleaning, and I'm personally not anal. You know what I'm saying? So what I like to do to motivate myself is to make cleaning a game. Like put on my favorite show or channel or whatever and clean like mad during the commercial break and see how much I can get done. Just, you know, hop and move from room to room, and I just try to make it entertaining in some way, or put on a movie that I've seen 1,000,001 times so I can just hear it and I know, you know, how much time I have left or whatever, and just clean. You know, it's like, oh, I know what scene this is. You know, there's not much time left. Let me hurry up, or something like that. You know, and they have apps. There's flylady.net, I believe that still exists. Last I checked, but it's been a while. Which is really good for people who, you know, it's just overwhelming. You don't know where to start. So she has a nice like organizational tools, schedules, all of that stuff. Excuse me, where she helps you and gives tips and declutter, and you know, you have a whole community backing you up. So, excuse me. So that's what I have to say about that, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next part in this series, Before You Light a Candle. I don't know exactly what it'll be, but some things I do want to cover for sure are divination. So maybe that'll be next, because I feel like divination is extremely important for you to be well versed in before you do any kind of spell work. So stay tuned for that, guys, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So, bye guys.